What's up, everybody? So, should I keep this car forever? That's what I'm thinking. I think this car is like the last of its kind. The replacement of the Granturismo is supposed to be the Alfieri, which they are talking about it being a hybrid or electric, and I'm just not a fan of those cars. So that's one of the reasons why I'm thinking about just keeping this. This is the last naturally aspirated V8 that we'll see. Just the way the technology is going with turbos. And this car just makes such an awesome sound. But one other thing that's part of the decision is that here in the state of Georgia, once you register a car, after that it's just $20 a year for a tag. So that's all I'll be paying is $20 a year. It used to be where they would charge you a percentage every single year. So the way they have it set up now here in Georgia is it's more beneficial for me to keep it a long time versus switching cars every couple years, just because of that $20 yearly tag fee. So I've already paid my registration fee, the initial taxes, 7%. So I've done paid that. This car has been out for so long, but it still looks good. It's still a good looking car. I know the interior is outdated, but you know, I can look past that just because of the way this car drives, the way it sounds, the way it handles, you know, the comfort. I think this is one of the best Grand Tours out there. I like the fact that it's got old technology because it's proven technology. I mean, it's like this engine's been out for several years now. The transmission's just a 6-speed transmission made by CF. You know, that company is what they do, transmissions. So the powertrain seems to be pretty reliable. This car's never had any recalls. So as long as I don't have any issues with the car, I don't see a need to get rid of it. Plus, this car's already taking its biggest depreciation hit since it's a 2014. So that's another reason for me to just go ahead and keep it. But what do you guys think? I want to hear some opinions. The only thing that could make me change my mind is it just depends on how good the Alfieri is. I mean, maybe I could come to love that car, even though at the moment I'm not interested in an electric or a hybrid. But I guess we gotta wait and see how good that car ends up. But in the meantime, I plan to enjoy this car, and I don't have plans to sell it.